Hi everyone, it's me Asong Filipina. Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you my new nail polish today. It's very bright red. It's beautiful. It's gel polish and it's very glossy. Okay, now I'm going to wear a two-ring and I'm going to show you my nails. So this is my nails. And also an anklet. Now this is two rings, then I also have an anklet. Hold on, my nails is very long. Okay. Okay, let's dangle my flip-flops today. So I have here the green flip-flops. So guys, leave. So that's all for today's video.